First thing you need to do when you open the app is to create a new panel, which is simply a new canvas. Then select one of the default objects, and for this example, select the quad sphere. Next, I will show you how to make the user interface look like a normal 3D app. Tap once inside the panel, select the right button on the top of the panel, and toggle maximize. After that, select workstation and change the background color to gray. Now select the mixer-like button on the top. Enable the axis, enable floor grid, disable the tiles, and enable the origin. Now it feels like a normal 3D app. Navigation, the viewport is as expected. Drag one finger to rotate, drag two fingers to pan, and pinch to zoom. Now in the right corner, I want you to select the outliner, which will open the hierarchy where you can hide, rename, and delete objects. To undo, tap with 2 fingers, and to redo, tap with 3 fingers. Now to add a new object to the scene, select the import shape button on the top and select the high poly quad sphere for now. And since we're going to sculpt, the first thing we want to do is to enable the symmetry. You can do so by selecting object from the bottom left corner, then select symmetry. Each colored circle represents a symmetry axis plane. Now to start sculpting, we need the brush. To find the brushes, select surface, displacement, select the round clay brush, and try to sculpt. Immediately you will notice that we don't have enough geometry to work on. To fix it, select surface, detail size. Now slide your pencil to add more details. To apply this change, select surface again and rebuild. Now drag the pencil to confirm. To get rid of the hard edges of the object, go to surface, surface filter, hold down the M0 button on the top and drag the pencil to smooth. Now you can select any brush and start sculpting. And if you notice, when I select the round brush, the M0 function is changed. Also we got M1 and M2 functions. Each tool has its own functions and they are customizable too. In the round brush case, we have smooth, invert, and select. And in the side we have 2 sliders, one for the brush size and the other for the pressure. Both can be accessed from the bottom too. One last thing you might be looking for is the gizmo tool. First, let's turn the symmetry off by going to Object, Symmetry, and tap on the red circle. Now select Deformer, Transform, Transform. Use the lines for moving, the big circles for rotating, and the small circles for scaling. And let's leave it at this for today's tutorial.